Hey everyone, today we are going to solve question number 11 of LeetCode, which is container with most water. This is one of the most popular two-pointer approach questions, which reduces the complexity from O(n) square to O(n). So let's understand the question, the approach, and then code it in C++. So the problem gives us the array called height here. Each value represents the height of a vertical line. We need to pick any two lines such that together with the x-axis they form a container that can hold the most and maximum water. Suppose we choose two lines, this and this. So we have to first find the area of this and find the most amount of water which can hold in a particular array. So what will the formula for the area? So the formula will be the minimum height of the both of the pillars, as the water can hold it till the shorter only, and the area will be the difference of both the pointers. So here we will use the two-pointer approach. As the first we will think of root approach, we will do nested loops, but as you can see the test case are till 10 power 5 and it will give time limited exit error, so we will use two-pointer approach only. In this we will put the two pointers, first will be at the initial 0 and the second will be at the last point of the array. That gives us the maximum possible width initially. The area is controlled by the smaller height, so if we want to get a bigger area we should move the smaller height inward. Why? Because moving the taller height cannot help, the smaller height is already limiting the water. Now let's code it in C++. So the answer max area for initialize to 0, the first pointer at 0, the second pointer at the last, which is height dot size -1. Now in the while loop till I is less than j, let's find the minimum height from both. In the area will be the j minus I into h. If the height of j is high, we will increase I, or else we will decrease j. Now let's return the answer. As you can see, we passed both the test case. Now let's submit the answer. Here our answer has a runtime of 7 milliseconds and it beats 7.05% of the people. Let's submit one again time. Okay, it improved to 0 millisecond. That's the LeetCode error. Now it beats 100% people and the runtime is 0 millisecond. The time complexity of this code is 0. The speed time is 0 of O of n, because each pointer moves only once, and the space complexity of O of 1. So if you like my code and an explanation, give a like, and for more such explanation subscribe to the channel. Thank you.